Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use YouTube in a Samsung Smart TV. There is no way to install YouTube if you don't have it in your Samsung TV apps. So I have another workaround for this. Look for internet. It's the internet browser in your Smart TV. Open it. You see the pointer? Just put the pointer here. Press OK in your remote and you will get the keyboard and you just type in YouTube. Once you have entered your keywords, you just press done here. Done. You will have access to YouTube right here. Scroll down and open the YouTube link. So that's it guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.